22 C.
Here we go. Another day in Texas court, and this one's already messy. Maria Chavez faces assault charges. But wait till you hear how this family drama turned into a courtroom showdown.
R9347, State of Texas versus Maria Chavez. Could I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Travis Banks for the state of Texas.
Robert Maurer for the defendant, Your Honor.
And are you Ms. Chavez? Counsel, have you received all the discovery and did you review it with your client?
Yes.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Ms. Chavez, I'm showing you what's entitled True Bill of Indictment. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
I do.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
No, Your Honor, the state.
Quick legal note. When the state proceeds on a lesser included charge, that's code for downgrading the severity. Basically, she's dodging a felony here. But Class A misdemeanor still means possible jail time.
State moves to proceed on the lesser included Class A misdemeanor assault bodily injury charge and to waive and abandon the aggravated assault charge.
All right. And are you all proceeding on this as a family violence case?
No, Your
No.
Honor.
Okay. All right. Any objections?
No, Your Honor.
Ms. Chavez, I'm going to show you what's entitled Court Admonishments and Defendant's Waivers and Affidavit of Admonitions. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that the state is proceeding on the lesser included offense of assault bodily injury? That is a Class A misdemeanor. The range of punishment is up to a $4,000 fine and up to 1 year in the Bexar County Jail. Did you understand? All right. After reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Judge.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Judge, I just ask you to follow the agreement. My client's been in jail for 87 days and would like to figure out to move on with it.
Oh, the judge's tone just changed. You can feel that eyebrow raise. When a judge says, I have questions, it usually means someone's version of the story isn't adding up.
All right. Well, I've read the police report. Of course, there are questions I have. Nobody in the police report mentions how this all started.
My client and her husband, who had a case that was dismissed, took their daughter over to exercise visitation, and I would call it like a WWE wrestling match ensued. And
Yeah,
we
'cause-
are multiple family members.
No, I needed a mental diagram.
A
So-
flow chart would have helped.
Because I see some people with gold clubs. Are these golf clubs or this is just a gold club?
It was a mess. I think that's the basis for the resolution, Judge.
Okay. And there's no less than 10 people involved.
Yeah.
What have you learned from this? I learned that no matter what's going on, I know I was fearing for my daughter's life and my husband's life.
You can sense the chaos here, emotions running high, communication breaking down. It's more than a legal issue. It's a family implosion spilling straight into court.
Okay,
Just
I'm
call
so
the
sorry.
police?
I don't understand anything you're saying. I understand the last part where you said just call the police. All right. The court will follow your agreement, sentence you to 87 days in the Bexar County Jail, give you credit for any time served. There's a $500 fine. Time and money is to run concurrent. Anything else with regards to sentencing?
No, Your Honor.
Showing you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, we can go off the record. You'll probably be released at 1 a.m. Not today. If your counsel, if you want to call the sheriff's office and say why
Would do no
she's
good, Judge.
yes. But this is what I've learned, not from
That's wisdom right there. And the judge's delivery? Brutal honesty. Ever seen custody drop-offs turn into chaos? This is exactly why. What do you think? Was a judge too harsh or just keeping it real?
personal experience, but from what I've seen, whenever there's a custody exchange issue, only one person needs to go, and that's the person whose turn it is to have custody. When you start bringing extra people, there's a problem.
I didn't want to go that day, Your Honor. It was my birthday. I didn't want to go.
Yeah. So next time you need to say, no, not doing it.
And
You
I
understand?
will. I always do. Thank you, Your Honor. God bless you.
All right. Thank you so much. God bless you too.
Thank you, Judge.
23 CR 4768, State of Texas versus Gaspar Rodriguez Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Hank Wilkins for the state, Your Honor.
Defense?
Manuel Rodriguez.
Are you
And just like that, new defendant, new drama. This time it's about credit card abuse, but it's the backstory that'll break your heart.
Gaspar Rodriguez?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have you received all the discovery in this case and did you review it with your client?
Yes, Judge.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Rodriguez, I'm showing you what's entitled application for probation. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it?
I did, Your Honor.
Showing you what's entitled true bill of indictment. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
I did.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes, we do.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
We are, Your Honor.
Mr. Rodriguez, I'm showing you what's entitled court's admonishments. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand you're charged with the offense of credit card or debit card abuse? That's a state jail felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
I am, Your Honor.
Court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Judge.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Judge, as part of his conditions of probation, we ask that he go for that evaluation for MICMAP or anything in that regard, because Mr. Rodriguez
Traumatic brain injury.
was in a car accident in 2015,
Okay.
has a traumatic brain injury.
Okay.
So he may qualify for certain programs.
Okay. All right. Mr. Rodriguez, do you have a place to live?
No, I'm going to be at Haven for Hope time being. And if I get a place, a domicile of my own, I will let the probation know and the courts.
All right. I'm going to let you do your MIC evaluation out of custody, but if you miss appointments, there's going to be a motion filed. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor. Thank
All right.
you.
Do you have any children?
I have one.
What is the age?
He's 10. He's with his mom.
All right. Do you have any contact?
At the moment, I know his mom's number, but she doesn't really want me talking to him. So as of right now, it's no contact.
All right. Have you been using any drugs?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Do you have any family support in the area?
Not in the area, but I do have family, and I can call and they can help me.
Why are you in San Antonio? What brought you here?
Well, I came here to go to college back in 2011, and I did 2 years at SAC, and then had my son in 2012, January 2012, and I just got caught up with not living life, but having to work and provide, that I put off my college for my son, and ended up homeless after getting kicked out of well, not getting kicked out, but me and my girlfriend broke up at the time. So I'd been homeless for a while. So,
All right.
but all I can say, everyone can say that life's been hard, but it's choices. And
That's rare, a moment of raw honesty. You can tell this man's been through hell, but he's taking ownership. It's the kind of moment that reminds you courtroom justice isn't always about punishment. Sometimes it's about redemption.
my choices haven't been the best so far, and I hope to make them better.
Okay. All right. This is what the court is going to do. Court is going to sentence you to 2 years in the state jail facility, suspended and probated for 3 years. There's a $500 fine that will be probated. Take in consideration 710-595 2023 CR 4769. There's to be restitution and no contact with the following: Walmart at 1603 Vance Jackson, zip code 78213. Joaquin Gamas, April Gamas, the Marriott Spring Hill Suites located at 3636 Northwest Loop 410. There's to be a MIC, mild evaluation out of custody. You are to reside at Haven for Hope. 200 hours of community service restitution. Those will be deemed satisfied once you complete parenting classes, probation, whatever parenting classes you deem are appropriate. There's to be regular reporting by Zoom or in person, proof of employment within 15 days of release. Just 1 second. There's to be no employment as a home healthcare provider with minors. If you are receiving SSI, you then provide proof of SSI.
That's what it was. You read my mind.
Okay. And that proof of SSI is within 15 days. If there's some issue where you don't have it with you by that time, just let probation know.
Okay.
There's to be regular UAs, the theft course, and probation. I know the issues with checking in with people at Haven for Hope, but if possible, if you could do a field visit one time every 4 months with him, just to check up on him to make sure everything is going as it should go. Probation, is there anything else he needs? Is there anything else you need from the court to be successful?
A reentry brochure and
For Haven for Hope?
yeah, for Haven for Hope.
Probation will be able to give that to you.
Okay. And then no.
All right. I'm going to show you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it?
I did.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question about what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, we can go off the record. In this court,
This is one of those golden judge moments. Probation isn't freedom. It's a second chance on a leash. And the only way to keep it, stay in touch, stay clean, and show up.
to be successful on probation, communication is key.
Yes,
If
ma'am.
there is an issue you think that probation is not addressing, then you can always come and address it with me at court, and we'll see if we can figure it out.
Yes, ma'am.
But do not fall off the face of the earth and not report.
Yes,
If
ma'am.
probation tells you you haven't paid this, if you don't come in on this day and pay, we're going to file a motion to revoke. Come to the court and we'll address it.
Yes, ma'am.
But do not stop reporting.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Do you have any questions?
No, ma'am.
All right. Good luck to you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Gomez, how are you doing?
Okay.
Right. Let me ask, on this case, was he given anger management or anything?
Your Honor, he was given the moral recognition therapy.
All right. Based upon the offense that's in the motion, I know the state is saying they're going to withdraw, but I want to add anger management. Is everyone okay with that? Vince?
Yes, we don't oppose what the court wants to do, Judge. I do think that the court should know that the classes that he was supposed to start up, he was not able to support because the client reports that he didn't have any funds for that. So if there's any cost associated, we would request that be waived. He also has a broken, he's got some physical ailments. He's got a broken left.
Okay, everybody's whispering. So are you employed? Because this case, I'm not the one who placed you on probation. Are you employed?
No, ma'am.
How long has it been since you've been employed?
No.
All right, why are you not employed?
I got a broken left leg.
You got what?
A broken left leg, and I can't stand too long on it.
All right, so they do have jobs where you can sit down. So how are you supporting yourself?
My dad, he helped me here and there.
All right, do you have children?
No, ma'am.
How far did you go in school?
To the 8th grade.
Why didn't you graduate?
I mean, my family was just not too smart, I guess. We didn't pass.
All right. So what does everybody think he needs to be on the right track probation? Because he's not, you're not receiving SSI, are you?
No.
Then you're going to have to get a job. You'll have to find one where they allow you to sit. I don't know if that's possible because you only have an 8th grade education.
I can't read or write. That's the thing. And like I do got like a weekend job. I help my dad and I make like $100 with him doing whatever I can.
All right. And how old are you?
I'm 33.
All right. So first,
Now this is beautiful. Instead of just punishment, the court's giving education. A literacy program can change a life way more than another month behind bars.
Thing. We need to get him where he can read and write.
Literacy program.
Yes. So we're going to do the literacy program. I always tell people you're never too old to learn to read or to write. I can speak of this because some of my great grandmothers only went as far as the 6th grade, but they could read and write and do other things. And there were reasons why they couldn't go any further in school. But
I'm good at math. That's the only thing.
all right. So we're going to do literacy classes. And
We can also try to assist in employment placement.
okay. All right. So they're going to work with you on getting your literacy classes. And guess what? Everybody has to start somewhere, right? Do you speak only English?
Bilingual.
All right. So one, you're intelligent because you're able to speak 2 languages. I don't know many people who can. So you'll be able to do your literacy classes. They're probably going to start you off with, what's the book we all read? See Ball. They'll probably start you with that. Don't be embarrassed by that because I still have those books and those are some nice adventures. Just saying. Mark Park, Walk in the Dark. I still remember that. Mark Park, Walk in the Dark. He would only walk in the dark, only at night. And now that I look back on it, where were his parents? Why was Mark Park walking in the dark? I don't know. But those are great books to read and counsel, if you will, outside of my door in the back. There's a list of books. So he's more than welcome. You're more than welcome to take some of those books to practice on.
Okay.
So we're going to do literacy. And you say, and
That right there. That's compassion wrapped in humor. The judge's tone says it all. Accountability doesn't mean cruelty. Sometimes justice sounds like encouragement.
employment assistance. Is there anything else that you need from us?
No, not at the moment.
Probation, is there anything else he needs?
No, Your Honor, we're gonna stick with the MRT class that was previously ordered. And did you want to add the anger management, or we'll see how it goes?
Let's see how it goes.
Okay, I do want to point out that Mr. Gomez did complete his intensive outpatient treatment.
Okay. All right. You're still going to have to do UAs. Make sure that you stay clean and sober. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
So you'll withdraw the motion.
Yes, Your Honor.
In this courtroom, to be successful on probation, communication is key. So if there's some issue, just pick up the phone, call probation. If you feel like they're not addressing it, you can always come back to the court. All right? All right. Good luck to you.
All right, thanks, Judge.
You're welcome.
So you're saying you've got books, Jared, that I can just pick one for him to borrow, or how does that?
Yes.
work?
But you'll have to, they won't, I don't think they'll let him take it back. You can ask the deputy. I don't know if they'll let him take it back today, but outside the door,
Mhm.
there are books.
Okay.
And there are some that are in Spanish and in English.
Maybe I can